Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. Today, I'm going to be taking a look at shoulder impingement recovery. We'll go over some of the steps that we recommend you take, as well as looking at information provided by the NHS in regards to dealing with shoulder impingement. If you have any questions or requests, let us know in the comments. And if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. According to NHS.uk, shoulder impingement is a very common cause of shoulder pain, where a tendon, band of tissue inside your shoulder, rubs or catches on nearby tissue and bone as you lift your arm. If you're suffering from shoulder impingement following an accident or incident that wasn't your fault but was down to the negligence of others, you should bear in mind that you may be entitled to compensation. Now, in order to bring a claim for compensation, we recommend that you speak to a personal injury claims specialist that has experience in dealing with shoulder impingement compensation claims. You may qualify for free private treatment if the circumstances which has led to you suffering from shoulder impingement was down to the negligence of others by bringing a claim for compensation. You won't be expected to pay anything up front, and we'll ensure that all costs are covered if you decide to bring a claim with us. So call our free phone helpline on 0800 652 7676 in order to find out if you're eligible, or visit our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so you can speak to us whenever you'd like. NHS.uk recommends that you see your GP if you have shoulder pain that doesn't go away after a few weeks or is stopping you from doing your normal activities. Your GP will look at your shoulder and ask you to move your arm in different ways to see how easily you can move it and if movement makes the pain worse. They may suggest some treatments you can try or refer you to a physiotherapist for treatment advice. You probably won't need to go to hospital for any scans. You can also go straight to a physiotherapist without seeing your GP, but you might need to pay. If you bring a claim for compensation with us, we'll put you in touch with a physiotherapist without you having to pay a single penny for your treatment. They'll be able to recommend shoulder pain exercises, advise you on shoulder pain relief options, and they may use a shoulder pain diagnosis chart to help target the affected area should you require any physical therapy exercises for shoulder pain. And if you require invasive treatment, if you're suffering from shoulder pain when lifting arm or frozen shoulder, they'll be able to recommend safe exercises after shoulder surgery. NHS.uk recommends a number of things that you can do to help your shoulder impingement, including avoid things that make the pain worse. Avoid activities that involve repeatedly lifting your arm above your head, such as swimming or playing tennis for a few days or weeks. Ask your GP or physiotherapist when you can restart these activities. Don't stop moving your arm completely. Try to carry on with your normal daily activities as much as possible so your shoulder doesn't become weak or stiff. It's usually best to avoid using a sling. Hold an ice pack or a bag of ice cubes or frozen vegetables to your shoulder for around 20 minutes several times a day, but don't put it directly on your skin. Wrap it in a towel first. Take painkillers. Anti-inflammatory painkillers such as ibuprofen or paracetamol may help. Your GP can prescribe stronger painkillers if needed. Shoulder exercises. Now, your GP may be able to advise you about simple shoulder exercises you can do. Physiotherapists can also diagnose shoulder impingement and suggest exercises to help improve shoulder posture and further strengthen your muscles to improve your pain and range of movement. You may need to do these exercises with a physiotherapist at first, but after a while, you'll usually be able to continue doing them at home. Return to your GP or physiotherapist if the exercises make your pain worse or your pain doesn't improve after a few weeks. Steroid injections. Now, steroid injections into your shoulder can help improve the pain if rest and exercise on their own doesn't help, but it's still important to do your shoulder exercises, as injections usually only have an effect for a few weeks and your pain may come back if you stop the exercises. While the injection can be repeated if needed, having more than 2 isn't usually recommended because it might damage the tendon in your shoulder in the long term. The injections can also have side effects, such as permanent dimpling or lightening of the skin where the injection is given. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claim specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.